How to add pronouns on your Instagram account. How to add pronouns on your Instagram account. So let's go in Instagram. So before going forward this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So after doing that, let's go right in the video. After reaching on Instagram, try to select this cycle down here. After reaching on this cycle, select this edit profile. After reaching on edit profile, on this third line you can add pronouns. So select the line. You will reach on this page. Try to select this first line to type a, like some example here, and you can select the pronoun that you would like to set on your Instagram account. So it depends on you. You can type a lot of pronouns. After typing all the pronouns that you would like to add on your Instagram account, you will click on this particular sign on top the right to save it. As you can see, I hope this video was helpful. Please put the like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you on the next video.